Hello everyone and welcome to the Proud Clad, and we are here to celebrate the fireworks festival. So my friends didn't show up and I don't have a choice, so let's welcome my aunt. Now where's the bit? Hi! Alright, so I'll get you your freebie. Please come here. What's happening? Here, 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 here. Please spin the roulette. It won't stop, so you just have to. So, pick a gift from the right lane. Yes. Alright, so tourists, please follow me. Do you have your passports with you? Do you have your passports with you?
Yeah.
Just show it to the immigration here. So I'm the immigration too. So please show me your passport. No, I'm kidding. Let's go. So welcome to the plaza. Please get yourself fireworks from Red. So if you have fireworks, let's go to the train station. Here. Please proceed to the train station. Please proceed to the train station.
Wait.
The party is at the orange station. So are you buckled up? Okay, let's go. So just for your information, the Star Festival is celebrated yearly every July 7th. It is said that it is the meeting of the two stars, Orihime and what do you call the guy? Forgot the name of the guy. Okay, let's officially start the festival. So let's fire. Yay, you don't have reactions. Yeah. So this is the festival area. So you get yourself, just pick any chairs and get yourself a freebie. Okay, so I'm missing the what do you call the ramen in Manila? No, no, not makimura. Ramen nagi.
No, the other one.
Okay, never mind. So let's take a picture. And okay. One, two, three. One, two, three. All right. So let's do some fireworks. Let's try the freebies from Red. So this is the fountain. So let's light them together.
Are we going to light them up?
Okay. One, two, three. Go.
Ay!
You idiot. Why did you pick it up? You just have to light it. Oh no, you spoiled the moment.
I pressed the wrong button. Okay, light it up.
I don't have a fountain to light. So I'll just clap. Let's try everything.
Wait, I still have one.
Okay, so light it up,
Me?
of course. And this is the red sparkler.
Wait, let me get backpack. Oh,
I had one of these when I was still a child, so yeah. Let's pray for 2020. Yeah, everybody should get themselves Animal Crossing because it's a lot more enjoyable to spend events and birthdays in Animal Crossing than the outside world because it's the pandemic. The red balloon. So I got my designs uploaded, so we should see fireworks with my designs. Yes, you can upload your own fireworks design. Oh, see, it's the 2020 Olympics. Yeah, let's try the other shiz from Red. So this is the Twitter, not like this social media app. I wish it had sounds, but yeah. I wish it had sounds just like the torotot thingy. Yes, the torotot thingy, diba? And Uchiwa fan. Oh yeah, you can have these. Wait, I have many Uchiwa fans. I'll just give you the fan. Okay, so I know you are a beggar. So and the pinwheel. Let's take a close-up picture. Just stand beside me. Okay, so the camera is ready. Nope, wrong button. Okay, so let's wait for the fireworks. Yeah, my friends didn't show up, so I'm going to unfollow them from social media. I'm not bitter, but I'm gonna leave our Discord server. I prepared a week for this, but they didn't show up. But they're online. Oh no. It's fine. No kidding. Just let's do this. If you're watching, let's do this again next Saturday. Next Sunday. There you go. Okay. What else do we have? Still have fountains here. No, let's light them together. Woo! Yeah. Happy 2020. And we still have bubbles. We have bubbles here. So let's go down. Follow me. See, I renovated my area for this. This is the Star Garden. Yay, let's take a picture here. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh! Wrong button again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more time. One, two, three. Oh no, I ran out of bubbles. Anyway, I still have sparklers here. So there you have it, guys. This is a simple celebration for the fireworks. So yeah, see you guys again soon. Yay! She's not moving. She had her stroke.